So, we out here, you know, and you know, them say food a vibration if you connect with your food. So we don't need no fork. You? As you see, you are eating finger food. Roast salt mackerel with roast potato and roast plat. Boy, you want to taste this?
Egg.
And roast egg. Well, yeah, that's the first time I've never tried roast egg. But somebody told us about it, so who might tell? I might. Of course, the cameraman is asking for a piece of saltfish. Of course. Well, of course, the skin a rough edge. Wait till me scrape his skin. And nutritional facts. Food, roast food is high in sulfur. This means sulfur, when it hits the blood, it becomes alkaline. Therefore, it kills free radicals. Hence, eradicate cancer cells. People start roast your food. Back to the drawing board.
Food look nice, Barry.
You see the plate? Banana leaf. So this is a total interconnection. You know? Yeah, man, with life itself and bonding with your food. Watch out. Bonding with your.
I'm telling them about the cynic. We're a dog.
Yeah, the cynic eat by himself like a dog. Yeah, we don't eat by ourselves. We eat in peace and harmony and fellowship. And also, as you see, finger food, we're making love to the food. It's called food connection. Food is vibration and frequency. All things are energy. Your energy with the food energy, do what? Strike a balance.
Good. No
Yeah, man.
Can't get nothing good. No restaurant.
I eat this.